Hi YouTube. Um, Today we're going to focus on another use book, the use context book, and a lot of people understand what a use context looks like, but I just wanted to give it a some you know, summary, okay, and see what exactly is happening according to the one document. Maybe a little bit easier to understand, right? Okay, let's go. So use context. What we're going to do is really is how the component wrappers, right? Usually people put it users, right? Authenticate user and it put the result of the user inside of the context, right? And then pivot down and then bring down to the, to the entire application. So let's go from here. What I will do is I'm going to create you know, a context. So let's see. This I'm going to do new in context, right? Create context. Let's see here, right? Yeah. So from here, create context, right? So what I will do is in context. Initially was say light. I want to turn the background on and off. So this one, right? Create context. I want to add it to here. Yeah, make it happy. Since context is okay. We haven't built that yet, but this is what I'm gonna do. So, oh, what I'm doing? In context. Okay. So we created in context. Very clear. Create a context like. Okay. The second step I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click the function called theme. Theme the button, right? So what it does really is like create a theme that use context, right? We use context, yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, and here, and I will do, theme context. That was the bring this thing. All right, and then we'll return. Here we will be return. What we return going to be a button, right? With some style. So what kind of style will be? Yeah, I think with the background, the background color is good, because I wanted to do a color change, right? If it's dark, so then we're gonna do something like 53 or something like YYY, right? So on and so forth. So what is next will be close that up, right? And then button, close the button like this. Go here, enter, right? And then we're gonna add something like that. Let's say mode, right? Or the dark, light, which picture, right? And then that's it. No, sorry, you see here. So we need to see into theme. It's a theme equal dark, right? And then we do dark or this is light. Then we go. Yeah, okay. That sounds good. And okay, anyway, you know what? I'm gonna add the rest of the code. Just to understand color. Seems the dark is that, yeah. What is that? Okay, you know what? It's gonna confuse me. Color dark is full. Why is color duplicated? Right. Yeah, okay. Now it's ready. Oh, okay. That's it. So this pretty much will be our theme button, right? Right there. And we created text theme context. And here's the button we're going to use the theme context now in our main component, right? The JSX we're going to implement it. This is going to be the theme, right? We're going to use React with useState, initially will be light, and then return. Okay. So what we're going to do is now here's the interesting part. We need to put the wrapper in there. So let's say initially will be let's say there, right? So already has this, right? We have a theme button there, and then let's say we have a button where on click. So curly bracket anonymous function right there, set the theme. That's what we normally would do, right? Theme is equal light. Then what we're going to do is we say dark, but if an or, this is light, right? This will be the situation. And then we will do close the button, and we're going to close the tag in between. We're going to say toggle the theme, right? This will see. We're going to see line out verse switch. Okay, that is missing. Okay, now how are we going to bring the theme to here? So this is what we need to do. We need to add a theme concept that provided on there, and value will be the theme. Close it right here, and then we just wrap it up the entire. Okay, now we need to say, let's see, toggle this. Right. So this is how it works. One more time, let's recap. Well, first things first, we need to create a context right here. Initial light, right? And then we create a theme button. So this button will be inherited from all the theme's context, right? So created using theme context. We have use context. And here will be the context, right? JSX. And then inside of our user's components, UI component, all we need to do is just bring in a provider, theme provider. And immediately the theme provider will be available to entire any child component of this app.tsx. Of course, we show through the list, right, which is doing this all in the app.tsx. As you can imagine, right, all the components inside of it will be included, for example, for another child component, right, and it will be, right, because we wrap it inside of the theme context right there. Okay, this will be today's trick, and hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching.